Isaija the 60th chapter, verse 3. The Gentiles shall come to your light, and the kings to the brightness of your rising. This is a promise. If they would be faithful, the Gentiles would be attracted to them, attracted to the God of Israel, the one who lets his light shine upon them, and they would want to know who this God was. That was the intent that God had given to Israel, to live, to attract the nations, and not just the ordinary people. The kings would come to the brightness of their rising. That was the promise, the reflection of the divine characters through Israel, together with the manifest blessing of heaven upon them as a nation, was to have attracted the Gentiles and convinced them of the superiority of the worship and the service of God, their God. And in the providence of God, this promise is to be fulfilled to the church in our own day. The commission has been carried over to us here and now.